Hey guys, welcome back to Deklan Daily. We have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 packs to open. So let's see what we pull. Okay, so you don't get a real code. This is what you get. And you're not guaranteed a GX or a rare.
You didn't get any?
Nope, not yet. So let's see what else we can get. So I think Dollar Tree actually came out with a new Cosmic Eclipse packs. Well, they're not that new, Cosmic Eclipse. But Dollar Tree probably just came out with Cosmic Eclipse packs. Whoa. Oh wow, no GX or EX or any. Okay, let's see what we get now. So by the way, the GX or EX card will be in the middle. So if you want to do the card trick, it would be like this. Oh, we got a hyper rare. We got a hyper rare. What does that say? We got a hyper rare. You can pull anything from the. And by the way, these cards are 100% real. We got a hyper rare. Oh, here, let's put the card up here. Let's see what we get. Oh,
So that basically paid for all of our packs.
Yeah. If it's like over. Yeah. That's awesome. Aww. If I pull a Dedenne GX Hyper, so here is a hollow. This is like Dedenne. Look how sad he is.
It's a hollow with the rare.
It's not rare, but. I can't believe I put a hyper rare. That's my second hyper rare I ever pulled.
From a dollar store pack too.
Yay. I forgot to show you guys the 3 cards. Here, let me show you the hyper rare.
Come on, but
You can park on this side of the road. You go and park on the other side.
okay,
Appreciate it.
no problem.
Wait, now we have to restart.
No, we don't restart. We just gotta pull the other side of the road.
Sorry, guys.
We're gonna move our car.
Why did he say we have to park on the other side? Sorry, guys.
So we're gonna move our car to the other side of the road to finish the video.
We're sorry.
That was security because we're over at Winthrop Lake.
Lock the door so nobody can get in and steal our Pokemon. Here is what we pulled. No rares yet. Well, except the hyper rare we pulled.
Are you pretty excited about that?
Yeah, I never pulled
From
a
a dollar store pack too.
Yeah, you can literally pull anything from a dollar store pack, right?
You can.
And it's Cosmic Eclipse. So if you wanted to open it a different way, you would. If you don't want to see the cards, the front card, you would want to open it by this way, frontwards.
That's a rare, isn't it?
No rares. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs left. I'm sorry we didn't get any like Target packs. They're just like, never mind. They're like expensive kind of. Oh my gosh, that's pretty cool.
What is that? Reverse?
It's not a rare, but oh, that's a sick card. It's my, it's a tag team. I have the same card, but in a $40 shape. So let's put it up here. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, 2 grass types. Okay, will we get 3-pack magic? By the way, we're probably not gonna pull a Charizard because I don't think it's even in Cosmic Eclipse. Yeah, it's not even in Cosmic Eclipse. Stop not showing them. 2 packs left. Am I sure there's 2 packs left? Is there 2 packs left? Sorry about that cop action. Oh, same packs. You want a pack battle?
Sure.
It's pack battle. Here, I'll take that one actually. Can I have the special card you pulled though? He's gonna give me this special card. See, take the card out. Okay, I didn't get anything. Did you do the card trick? Oh, you didn't get anything.
So let's show them our.
Hold on, there's one more pack somewhere. Oh yeah, you opened it.
Let's show them the big prize we got today.
The big prize we got is this hyper rare, and the other.
Can you see the hyper? It is an Alolan Persian GX hyper rare.
So by the way, we don't have any more packs left, I don't think. Do we have any packs left? Nope.
Well, those are all the packs.
So, thank you for watching this video. So, see you guys later.